Guys, let's start with the discussion on correlation. I must say it is one of the most interesting as well as imperative topic of business stats. In this video, I am going to talk about meaning of correlation, types of correlation, degrees of correlation and methods of correlation. I tried to cover all the theoretical portion of correlation in this video. I will cover the practical portion of correlation in my next video. So let's start with the meaning of correlation. What is correlation? Correlation simply means connect or to be connected. In other words, you can say it is a process of establishing a relationship or connection between two or more things. Or in simple language, you can say correlation is a statistical technique who tells about the relationship between two or more variables. What types of relationship between two variables have? Next topic is types of correlation. There are mainly three types of correlation. One is positive and negative correlation. Second one is simple, multiple and partial correlation. Third one is linear and curvilinear correlation. You can also say linear non-linear correlation or curvilinear correlation. So let's start with the meaning of positive and negative correlation. So positive correlation, as per name suggests, when both variables moves in a same direction. If one increases, other would be also increases. So that's called positive correlation, like price and supply, age and weight. So that's the examples of positive correlation when both variables moves in the same direction. If one increases, other would be also increases. Negative correlation just opposite from positive correlation, when both variables move in a opposite direction. If one increases, other would be decreases. If one decreases, other would be increases, like price and demand. So there's an example of negative correlation. There's a negative relationship between price and demand. Second, let's see the more example of positive and negative correlation. Positive correlation means age of husband and age of wife. In negative correlation, demand and price. I already told you. So these are the example of positive, negative. Next is simple correlation. Simple correlation when we study only two variables like price and demand. It doesn't matter if they are increases or decreases. Partial correlation simply is when we study more than two variables, but third factor is assumed to be constant. So that's called partial correlation. In multiple correlation, when all the three factors are equally important. So that's called multiple correlation. In simple, you study only two variables like price demand, price supply. In partial correlation, you assume another factor like fashion is one of the major factor that affects your demand decision, but you assume fashion to be constant. So that's called partial correlation. The next one is linear and non-linear correlation. Linear correlation simply means when both variables change in a same proportion. So that's called linear correlation. The price increases by 10% every time, demand decreases by 10% every time. So that's called linear correlation. When both variables change in a equal proportion every time, that's called linear. Non-linear just opposite from linear correlation. When both variables change in an unequal proportion. Let's say example, sometime price increase by 10%, sometime increase by 5%, sometime increase by 15%. So that's an example of non-linear correlation. Next, degree of correlation. Degree of correlation, one thing keep in mind, correlation always denoted by R, or value of correlation never exceed 1. It always lies 0 to 1. So that's called degree of correlation. So there are mainly 5 degrees of correlation. First is perfect correlation. Perfect correlation simply means when your value of correlation comes equal to 1. So that's called perfect correlation. Once again, I repeat, value of correlation always lies 0 to 1, plus or minus 1. If value of correlation comes equal to 1, that's called positive correlation. If value of correlation equal to 0.75 to 1, that's called high degree of correlation. When value of correlation lies between 0.75 to 0.25, that's called moderate degree of correlation. If value of correlation lies between 0 to 0.25, that's called low degree of correlation. And if value of correlation comes equal to 0, that's called absence of correlation, means there is no correlation between two or more variables. On that point, your correlation value is 0. So value of correlation always lies 0 to 1. It never exceeds 1. Thank you so much. It's a theoretical portion of your correlation. If you like my video, kindly subscribe my channel and hit the like icon. Thank you so much.